So today I'm going to be installing the ZZP turbo heat shield. So this is the stock one, just 3 bolts holding it on. This is the new one. Comes with this protective like film thing on here, so I'll take that off before we put it on. But pretty straightforward installation. 3 bolts, 1 on the top, 2 here on the side. There are different sizes, so there's your top one, and then there's your 2 side ones. Those, I believe, are a 4mm hex key looking deal, and then the stock bolts that are on here, I believe, are 10mm. So I'm going to unbolt that, take the protective film off of this, and then put her on. So I got the all the stuff off. If you've got anything left over, you can just use some Goo Gone, but it came off pretty easily. Don't forget, on the back here, there is a little cover on here, so just peel that one off. Don't forget about that. I don't know if it'll start smoking or whatever once you have it on there, but just remember to do that. And then, yeah, clean off this top or any part that, you know, if you got any residue or whatever, just use some Goo Gone on there. Just those 2 bolts. Like I said, a 4mm little hex key, 1 on the top. The longer one goes up on the top. 2 shorter ones down there. Looks nice. Nice and clean in here.